Yes, yes, okay. Okay. So basically, public, private, protected, and
Mhm.
default. So
Mhm.
public, right? Public means
Yes, it's accessible everywhere.
there
Yeah.
is no condition, there is no restriction on this particular variables. Okay, you can
Mhm.
access anywhere.
Mhm. Mhm.
So this is straightforward. And the second one is private. So this is
Mhm.
quite opposite. Means you can able to access only within the class.
Okay, access within the class, right?
Only within the class, yes.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay. Public means you can able to access within the class, outside the class, extend the class, create the object where
Mhm.
what are the
Mhm.
possibilities there. You can able to access from everywhere. Inside the class or extend the class or
Uh-huh.
create an object or whatever. As per your convenience you can do the you can able to access.
Mhm.
Public is clear, right?
Yes.
And
Yes.
private means you can able to access only within the class. So when you, how you are
Uh-huh.
creating the class, like you will create class like this, right? Within class
Mhm.
A, open bracket and ending bracket.
Yeah. 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 Got it. Yeah.
So if you
Understand.
declare this variable, any variable, if you declare with access specifier as a private, then this can be accessed this integer only within this class.
Mhm. Mhm. Not
Outside
outside the
outside
cloud
of the
bracket.
class, you are not able to access. Even if you create an object also, you are not able to access it.
Okay.
Only
Okay.
within the class you can able to access
Mhm. Mhm.
it. Okay. So that is about uh, public and private.
Mhm. Mhm.
And the next one is uh,
Protect.
public and private. These two are clear, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So the next one we will go for default.
Okay.
So
Mhm.
default means, so what is the uniqueness of this one is only within the
Within the
package.
package.
Within the
Yes.
package means how you are creating generally classes. You are creating the
Mhm.
package. Under the package, you can able to create
Mhm.
n number of
Okay.
classes. Correct. So
Mhm.
if you
Yes.
declare any variable as a package,
Mhm.
only within the package you can able to access it. Meaning within the package you can able to
Mhm.
um,
Accessible within the
you can able
package.
to extend the class and by creating the object you can able to access it.
Mhm.
So basically this is less boundaries. Public means you can able to access everywhere. Private means only within the class,
Uh-huh.
and default means only
Within the package.
within the package.
Uh-huh.
So if you see here access levels, right? So
Yes.
private is having very limited, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
default is having everywhere,
Within the package.
and yeah, default is within the package.
Huh.
Okay,
Yes.
and the protected means just only by extending the class you can able to access it. Just
Okay.
you need to extend it. That's all. That is the only one way you are not able to access by creating an object also.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So
So if someone asks me which modifiers are allowed for methods in an interface.
okay, which modifies, right? You say for instance,
For methods in an interface.
okay, within the method, right? Say for instance, if you take public, right? Public you can
Uh-huh.
able to access everywhere within the method also.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and what is you said one more thing within the method and one more thing you were asking.
Yeah. Which modifiers are allowed for methods in an interface,
Oh, okay, okay.
not like access modifier in an interface.
Okay, which modifiers are allowed for
Mhm.
methods and um,
Interface. Yeah. Which
interfaces.
modifiers are allowed for methods in an interface?
Okay. So
Because in interface, you only see the methods, right? You don't see any implementation.
yes, yes.
Okay.
For interface, right? So
Uh-huh.
I can open a clips and then yeah. So first one is we will see about methods. So inside the class or inside the interface, we can able to declare the methods. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
So when we are declaring the methods, um, inside the class for a given method, you can able to apply the access specifier public or private or
Mm-hmm.
protected or default. Anything you can able to apply. All the things whatever I told, right? All four access specifiers we can able to apply for a method as well. But for specific to interface, there is a condition. I will tell
Mm-hmm.
you. But inside the class, you can able to apply all these access specifiers. There is
Mm-hmm.
no issue.
Mm-hmm.
Inside the class, you can able to apply everything, but only for interface, you are not able to apply everything. It will not allow all the four access specifiers for interface.
Mm-hmm.
I will tell you. For method, it is clear, right? For class, we can
Yes.
able to apply all these four access specifiers for any method. There is no issue.
Mm-hmm.
Inside the
Okay.
class, we
There's
can
no
write
issues.
yes. I can write a simple class and I can write a simple method and apply this one, and we will see do you have any
Mm-hmm.
issues or not. Inside the class, inside the for a given method, you can apply all four kind of specifiers. There is no issue.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
But for interface, you are not able to apply everything. Only default
No.
or public. I can tell you why we are
Okay.
not able to apply, why it will not allow. So I'm creating a simple class called test,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm selecting public static void main and
Mm-hmm.
finish it. So this is a class that
Mm-hmm.
all those things. Simple class, public class.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now I'm going to create a method called show me details. So this is a method, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And this is a void, so I no need to return anything. So inside
Yes.
this method, I can write anything, correct? The
Mm-hmm.
implementation part we don't care. Now we are concentrating on only access specifier, correct?
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
if you see this method now, currently there is no access specifier, correct? There is no public
But it
private
is,
default,
yeah, but it's a default, even though
correct?
it's,
So default we can able to apply, correct?
yes, within the
Okay.
package.
Now private. So private I applied, no issues, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And now public, no issue, no error,
Mm-hmm.
protected, no issue. So we inside the class we can able to apply all four access specifiers for a given method, no issue. Correct?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Now what I am going to do, I am going to declare another interface. Interface X. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
inside the interface, now I am going to declare the same method.
Mm-hmm.
Same or different, anything is fine.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So it is an interface. So
Mm-hmm.
I have to declare abstract methods.
Yep.
So I need to mention here why. Correct. So here
Mm-hmm.
we see here there is no abstract, but still by default inside the interface all methods are abstract methods. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, fine. That point is clear. No need to discuss
Yes.
about abstract all those things. Now
Yes.
we need to concentrate on like the public, private, protect all those things.
Mm-hmm.
Public and default.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now so if you see here, do you see any access specified?
No.
No, no means default.
Default.
Okay,
Yes.
default we can apply. Now
Mm-hmm.
instead of default, I am applying public.
Public.
Do you see any error?
No.
Okay. So default and public I can apply.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I'm going to apply private.
Yes. The yeah,
It
because
will
it's
not allow.
outside of our class. Yeah.
So because if you make this one as a private, then
Mm-hmm.
see to implement this one we need to extend this interface, correct?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Then if it is private means nobody can access this one, correct?
Yes.
Then it's no use,
Mm-hmm.
correct?
Yes.
So
Correct.
so that's what if something is there, it should be we need to use it, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you're declaring a method and you are making this one as a private, then it will become a useless. Useless means nobody can access this one.
Yes.
Either inside the class it's no use because currently there is no implementation, correct?
Yes.
So we need to
Non-implementation.
provide implementation, then only it will become useful.
Yes.
So JDK will not allow private or
Mm-hmm.
interface methods.
Okay.
The
Okay.
reason is this is clear
Private.
because I'm not able
Yep.
to got it right.
Access. Yep.
So if I want to implement this one, so if I want to implement this one, it must be either default or public.
Mm-hmm.
So now I can override it, correct?
Yeah.
If I
Mm-hmm.
made it private, then I'm not able to access it, correct? Outside of
Yes.
the class. So that's what private it won't allow.
Okay.
Public it will allow.
Yes.
Default fine.
Mm-hmm.
And let me try protect.
No.
See for protected also we have a condition within the package, outside the class, outside the package,
Yes.
correct? So that
Yes.
is also invalid condition.
It's not
So that's what they
acceptable.
won't allow.
Uh-huh.
So these are the conditions for interface.
Uh-huh.
Public or default only.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
The reasons now you know clear, right?
Yep.
So because if something you are declaring means it should be useful, right? It should be useful or it should be accessible at least in one place, correct?
Yes.
If you're declaring something means it's not able to access from anywhere means it's no use.
Yep.
Correct? It should be accessible
Yep.
at least in one place.
Yep.
If you declare a variable as a private means we can able to access within the class, correct?
Yes. Correct.
But here within the class we are not doing anything, only declaration part. So only
Mm-hmm.
implementation is happening outside the class.
Yes.
So it should be
Yes.
accessible outside the class. Otherwise, no use of declaring this method.
Yes.
So only default and public access specifiers can be
Visible
added.
in interface. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Makes sense. Yes. Yes. How long we can sit for today? I mean,
Uh,
do you have another class?
yeah, I have another class. Basically, when I connected late, we will connect tomorrow same time, no problem. Basically, today
Oh,
I don't have the link, just I was creating the link. And we will
okay.
connect tomorrow same time, 1 hour, no issue.
Yeah. Okay.
And
Okay.
you
Okay. I
just,
just have a few
yeah,
questions
you can
tomorrow.
ask.
So
Yeah, you can prepare.
yes.
You can get all of your questions, and we
Yeah.
will discuss
Those
tomorrow,
will
same time.
take less than 30 minutes. So
No problem. No problem.
thank you so much for doing this for me.
No problem. Tomorrow also you will connect same link. You can connect to the same link, same time. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Manhar.
No
Okay.
problem. No problem.
Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.